Hello there, my name is Lucas San Juan and I'm a service engineer for Rhino Equipment. I'm here to talk to you about air filter maintenance and inspection. Our air filters need to be inspected periodically in order to see that the filter is working normally or properly. We have several types of inspections that we can do. The first one starts by checking the restriction indicator mounted on most of our machines on the L filter. The indicator has an inspection window that tells me if it's red or green. When it's red, the air filter needs to be replaced or cleaned. After that, I can check the evacuator valve to get rid of any dirt and particles that are inside the air filter. After we check our evacuator valve, we open the air filter housing to check the primary filter. Once we open our housing, we can take out the primary filter. With the filter outside, we can inspect for any dents and for how dirty it is. If the air filter needs to be cleaned, it can be cleaned using low pressure compressed air from the inside going up and down. You don't want to do it from the outside because then you would let the dirt go into the inside part of the filter on the media, and you don't want that. So you can use low pressure air from the inside outside to clean the filter. Some clients or some operators like to knock the filter to clean the dirt. That could work, but you could damage the filter, and it could perhaps damage the seals or the filter, and then it wouldn't filter as well, or it wouldn't create a perfect seal when you put it back in. So it's better to use low pressure compressed air. Once we seen this filter, we can look at the next one, which is your safety filter. This filter is not removed unless you're gonna replace the whole filter pair. That's your secondary line of defense and your last line of defense for the engine. You don't wanna, if you are gonna replace it, make sure to have the other filter in hand so you can replace it. Before removing this safety filter, we grab a lightly wet cloth and we wipe the inside of the housing to remove any dust or particles. Once we've done that, we can remove the safety filter and put in the new one. If you replace the air filter, make sure that you reset the air filter restriction indicator by pressing the top of the restrictor. Air filters normally are replaced when it's needed or every 1,000 hours, depending on the application of the machine or the environment the machine is working on. If it's a very dusty, very dirty environment, the filter will be replaced earlier, needs to be inspected more often, but just make sure that you inspect it periodically to make sure that the filter is working normally. If you have any questions, you can contact Rhino or talk to a Rhino dealer near you.